Hey, it's Junior, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this wooden canvas into this. So what I just did right now was I pumped this Posca pen onto the canvas so that I can get acrylic paint out of this. Something that you should never, ever do is pump this pen on your canvas because you're gonna get drips just the way I did. So to avoid that, get some type of like blank canvas or something else like a wooden board so that you can pump the pen on that board and not get any drips like this. Don't be me and learn from my mistakes. Hey friends, I wanted to let you know how this painting started and what brought it to life. Earlier in the year, I was dealing with creativity issues. I felt like I was depleted of energy, I didn't have any ideas flowing, and I felt like I was losing my touch. I started to distance myself from others, and I wanted to understand who I was and what was really happening to me. I guess I was coming across as a standoffish dude, but really I was just in my own head figuring things out. Around this time, I was planning my trip to Europe and I started searching for museums that I wanted to visit. And one of the images on Google came up of the statue of David. And I'm not sure why, but I stared at it for a while. I was noticing his facial expression. It's crazy how Michelangelo represented his facial expression to look detached or disengaged from others. I felt a deep connection to this and I wanted to create a work of art that resembled this exact facial expression, but at the same time show love and light. So I wanted to show a little bit of me. I wanted to add something that represented me somehow, some way, and that was through my graffiti embellishments. The name of the painting is called Misunderstood. Sometimes others are going to misinterpret you, but your job is just to keep shining and send them love. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the painting. I haven't painted it over 4 months, and I've been working on this for the past year. So I'm happy I got to get around to it, and I'm happy it's finally complete. This painting took about 22 hours to complete, and the material cost was $71.68. And to end the video, here's an art tip for you. Whenever you do your projects or your paintings, make sure that you're doing them your way, and your way only, whatever works for you. Whether that's taking a shorter route or a longer route, whichever way makes you more comfortable, do that, because at the end of the day, that's how you continuously learn and evolve as an artist, by doing things and experimenting as you go along. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all my process videos. And if you want to take a look at this painting in detail, make sure you go to Juniordesignsart.com to take a look at it and possibly buy it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.